Today we're making protein-packed blended oats. You're gonna need a ramekin for this recipe because we are going to bake it. This recipe has a couple different versions if you like chocolate or you like vanilla with some fruit. You are gonna absolutely love this one. Let's get to it. And that's it, our blended protein oatmeal bake. Super easy recipe. It does make one serving at a time. So if you want a couple different flavors or you're making a few of them, you're gonna need to make a few different servings. I hope you enjoy this recipe. For this one and so many more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.